Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing well, like staying home, staying safe. Finally got some time on my hands, but can't really seem to go out and ride right now. But I'm gonna be spending my quarantine time like working on this bike over there. So this is my buddy's bike. He got it. He got this off of Craig's. No, not Craigslist. He got this off of Pink Bikes. So this is a Commencal Supreme 8. So it's a downhill focused bike. It's got some pretty rad components on it. Like it has a coil spring on there. Like that's 200 mil travel, and there's like a 180 mil suspension on the front. I think I'm not really sure. I'll get back to that later. So it's got 200 mil rotors back and front. Like the brakes, like the front brakes, pretty beefy. Like no doubt about that. But the rear ones are like trash. I mean, it's gonna be trash, but there's like nothing in there. It's like it's gone. So, well, don't really expect anything else from a $500 bike. But yeah. So, and the rear rotor, it's pretty much gone. So it's trash. It's like bent to oblivion. The rear derailleur is kind of banged up as well, but I think we can work with that. I think we can work with that. Let's see, we'll see. Don't really know much about this bike at all, to be honest. Like, we'll see as we go. It needs a lot of love, as we can tell right now. The rear tires, they are worn out. I tell you. Like, yeah, we need new tires as well on this. So yeah, we're gonna be working on this a lot, and we've ordered new brakes, but let's see what happens, like with the quarantine situation and everything. Like, deliveries aren't working as they're supposed to as well. So let's see if we get new brakes. We'll put them on, and we have time. We got time to kill, and we'll definitely put them to good use. For now, I'm probably gonna give this bike a quick wash, and I'll also try and yeah, there's a lot of grease in there. I'm gonna give the chain a wash as well, and I'm gonna lube it. There's my bike over there. I think I'm gonna like do that one as well. So 2 bikes at a time. Yeah. So stick around and see what we do with this. All right. See ya, guys. Okay, so this bike is filthy AF. Like, the creaks and corners are all filled with dirt. Like, I'm having a super hard time trying to clean the insides of the pivot. So yeah, it's like so crazy. And I just like, I don't know how I didn't see this before. Just realized they have a makeshift chain guard. Yeah, like what it looks like they just zip tied a bottle cap in there somehow, and I don't know if that works or not, but oh my goodness, the chain has been eating the bottle cap up. So I don't know, I think we might have to remove that and get something proper. Yeah, but I'm not really sure if the derailleur is gonna hold the chain if we remove that, so I'll just leave that on there for now, and once we get all the other parts working on this bike, maybe we'll get back to this. The more I clean this bike, the more flaws I realize. Okay, so halfway through the wash, I just realized there's an entire spoke missing. I'm like, what the hell, dude? Like, what just happened to your spoke? A spoke doesn't just fly off or something. What the hell? That's so crazy. Look. No spoke. Wow. So that's as clean as it gets. I'll just let it dry off, and I'll just lube it and clean the chain before I do that. Yeah, that's the plan. I'll let it dry, and in the meantime I'll just clean my own bike. Alright, so I finally got the bottle cap off, but I'm not too proud of how I did it. Anyways, so this is the Park Tool Cyclone. I'm gonna use this to clean the chain up real quick. I have it filled with some biodegradable chain degreaser, and I'm gonna attach it and just clean this real quick. So just look at that. This turned, like, look at that dirt. Yeah, I think I'll have to do this a couple more times.
One eternity later.
So, okay, so it doesn't look too bad. Looks like the chain's pretty much clean. I'll wipe this off real quick and just apply some lubricant on it. Looks dry enough. Yeah. So I'll just use the WD-40 bike lube. So this is for wet and humid conditions, and here in Vancouver it just literally never stops raining, so probably the best thing to use around here. And that marks the end of the cleaning of this rad bike. Now all we need are the brakes before it's good to ride. Have you guys ever used a bottle cutout as a chain guide? It seemed a bit bizarre to me. Let me know in the comments. If you wish to see how I clean my bike, check this video out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.